Hey, welcome back to part 3. And now we are finally going to test out the sword launcher. Of course, in white spin, because this is a white spin bay, obviously. So let's see, is this sword launcher any good? And holding it, it's odd to hold it. You're supposed to hold it like this, I believe, with your thumb back here. Like, you know, one finger there, another finger there, and then find your thumb here. I guess you could hold it like this if you wanted to, or maybe something like this. I guess it really doesn't depend on how. It was not. Just hold it however it feels comfortable to hold it. Now this one, I don't know. I gotta try that again, because it seems like there is a delay on this one when you're letting it whip. Now I can definitely tell you this, it does add more starting power to it. So there is more starting power to the bay, but there's also like a 3 to 7 second delay. So you actually gotta have the whipcord out to about here before it actually starts engaging to start spinning it. You know, the teeth goes all the way to the little stopper here. It doesn't actually catch until here. So these teeth here doesn't do a thing. Like I said, you have it all the way there. It doesn't start until right about here. About at least a good inch of the whipcord has to be removed before it can actually engage the rest of the whipcord. Yeah. So, should you buy this one? Yes and no. I mean, as we've seen with, I believe, these three, this one gives it a lot more stamina if you use the cheap first one. This one gives it a lot more power, which is pretty good. Which I would say it's like, you know, doing a weather tap power mode. And if you're going to use like the sword launcher in like a full-on sword launch mode, that you want to kind of get that quick, let me whip it within like 3 seconds. I want to get that one hit, that stadium out, that, you know, sweeper, that burst, then this one. So for XCALiUS, these are the 3 best launchers so far that we have here in America from Hasbro. This one's the stamina, so stamina. This one's just a weather bay, so if you want to kind of have the bay out, go and fight a little bit longer. This one's a pretty good standard one. And this one is about quick attack. So quick attack, balance I'm going to call this one, and stamina. So balance, defense, stamina, attack. So yay, now you know. Is this kit worth it? For like 20 bucks, I think it was. You know, it depends on how you want to look at it. Do you want something that's going to be a quick tap, but you're going to be losing, you know, that 1 inch of your whipcord, and you can't do the actual sword launch with the full mass one, which means you actually have to go and get like a Takari Tomy one, which I would definitely recommend picking up a Takari Tomy one, because, you know, those guys in Japan, they're awesome. They know how to actually say, that was in the show, that's what we made. Hasbro's like, we'll just slap it together. We'll make it where it works just as good as the original one, but let's just make it shape somewhat like a sword that's kind of odd and hard to hold. Both the launcher and the whipcord. The whipcord doesn't spin. There's no other teeth on the other side of the whipcord. But let's say we slap a QR code on there, and we make it a left and right spin launcher. Yeah, that'll work. So, my opinion is, if you want to add to your collection, and you have the money, go for it. Other than that, if you just want to, you know, maybe try to get a quick one-shot burst or stadium out type of thing, go for it. But do you really need this one? No. I mean, like I said, these two are going to work just fine. So, stand launcher 1, which I'm sure you probably have a ton of, and super grip launcher, it's going to be your best ones. So yeah, hopefully you learned something in this, what is it, like 3-part Beyblade Burst Evolution Switch Strike XCALiUS set review. Yeah. So yeah, remember to rate, subscribe, and leave a comment. And hit that notification bell. Alright? Thanks, bye.